Hey, how you doing? It's me, Kevin Clark. It's a privilege and an honour to be serving you at such a time as this. Let's get into it. So, you need clicks to your CPA office, your affiliate offers, your programs, your products and your services. Yes or yes? Great. So this is what you do. This is how you get the results. Nothing else but results. I'm very confident about this. It's 100% guaranteed you will get clicks to your ads, okay? And then they will convert to sales. What you need to do is subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the latest systems, tips, and other things from me. Subscribe straight away, okay? Next step, I'm going to leave a link in the description box. You sign up to Udimi 100% free. And then the next step is you find someone that's selling solo ads, and I'll show you how you do that. So you click on the link in the description box, which will take you to the Udimi page. Do that now. Once you've done that, click on find sellers. So find sellers will take you to this page right here, okay? Now you scroll, you look at the results that people are getting. These people here are people that are selling clicks. They're selling clicks legally, legit, 100% proper, fresh, no robot stuff. This is the real deal, yeah? So all of these people here will guarantee to get you clicks to your adverts. So a popular way is if you've got like a email list and you're doing a broadcast and you're sending an email about a product to somebody. All you do is you go to one of these people here. Let's say, for example, let's go back up the list. Mark Sullivan, 85% tier 1 traffic, 47% Udimi sales rating, cheap high quality traffic, 500 plus subs added daily, over delivery up to 10%, limited slots only, right? So you have to take massive action. These are people that are liking Mark Sullivan's service. So here it says brought 50, received 51, so 34 opt-ins, 1 free, trial, no sales yet. So here we are, Mark Sullivan here, also known as Sully. I'm about to bring you some of the hottest, cheapest traffic to Udimi. So look, here it gives you a breakdown. What to expect with Mark Sully's solos. 7 years of solid marketing experience, 3 years solo ad seller. Exceptional customer service. World-class T1 traffic delivered hot to your landing pages. Excellent after-sales support. Guaranteed satisfaction. High-quality clicks. Minimum 80 to 90% T1. Yeah? Also, offer mobile-only or desktop-only speedy delivery. Lightning fast speed. Up to 300 clicks in 100 hour. Look. High opt-in rates. Clients seeing as high as 60%. So do the math, yeah? Sales 50% sales ratio. World-class customer support. If you was to pay like 35, 40 cents, 50 cents, 20 cents per click, and 50% of those clicks were converting into sales, and you were selling a product that was around $17 or $10 or $7 or $5 or $47, are you going to be in the green? Yes or yes? Yes, you're going to be making loads of profit. This is what a lot of people do, but a lot of people will not share these strategies and formulas with you. That's why you don't hear much about Udimi. You don't see much videos and content and training about Udimi. If you go out there and search, it's under the radar. I'm bringing it straight to you. This works. It's all about what works. I'm putting my name on this, yeah? My reputation on this. It works. So let's have a look at someone else that's getting results. Let's click on find sellers again. Scroll down. This one, Joe Mahan, hope I've pronounced his name right, 45 cents a click. Hi everyone, 95% T1 USA traffic, real human eyeballs, no bots, no fake clicks or tricks. Sounds great, doesn't it? Let's dive in, shall we? Okay, so it's got 7 likes. United States, Greensboro, time 13:16, 1:16. Favorite 5 times in the last couple of days. Here's what you get. High quality traffic, best price on the market. 95% T1 traffic countries. 500 plus fresh lists added daily. I have a list of 100,000 subs with 500 new subs added every day. So you will always have fresh eyeballs from my list. I write all swipes, so all I need from you is an opt-in link. I always show the Udimi tracking, so you know there's no bot traffic or any other tricky clicks going down. Peeps, how's that? Sounds nice, doesn't it? Because it is nice. And look, all transparent in your face. So I'm liking that. So let's look at these testimonials. Joe, you are the Udemy seller of the year, buddy. 64 opt-ins and then 52 opt-ins. No webinar does this for me. Delivered 100%. Look at that. Thank you, Joe, for delivering 100% quality visitor. I don't know how to pronounce that person's name. Shall I give it a go? Maybe you can correct me if you're watching or you know, yeah? Kjell on Henriksen. I hope that went down well. So yeah, anyway, moving on. Mark Watson. 151 likes. Wagwan. Thanks, decent solo. I'm liking that. Delivered 100%. 29th of August 2018. So we've got Janet Legear. Hope I've pronounced Janet's name right. If you're watching Janet, then sincere apologies if I haven't. No harm intended. But look, you're getting promoted from this video at the end of the day, so it's nothing but love. Yeah? I'm just showing people what's possible and what's working. Right? So yeah, and I will in fact be visiting Janet. I'm going to go on and I'm going to buy some clicks from Janet. So 100%. Mark Watson, again, yeah, lots of opt-ins. Zach, delivered fast, 100 clicks, all from the US. I offered free book with email sign up, got 50 sign-ups. That is just beautiful, isn't it? Come on. Delivered 100%. And Janet again. I just stick to Janet, yeah? Great solo with 86 leads and 40 new members. Sales will follow. I am certain. Thank you. Now, look how strong them words are. For a person to actually go out and leave a testimonial is big. And when it's strong language like that, look. I am certain. People, the reason why I like to put this content out there is to show you that it's possible. A lot of the times you could be there investing time, money into all of these systems that do not work. Try this. Just do it. Speak about it afterwards. If something works, scale it up and you keep on doing it and doing it and doing it and focus your time into the thing that works. So take massive action now. I'm leaving a special link in the description box. Yeah. So it's there now, in fact, because by the time I've uploaded this, it will be in the description box. Click on the link, go to Udemy, sign up for free, look for a solo ad provider, buy your links, and watch your sales go up, 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 up. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace. God bless. Bye.